Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify bond price quotes with TradingView step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the TradingView website. Log in to your TradingView account. In the search bar at the top of the page, type the bond name or ticker symbol you wish to verify. Select the correct bond from the drop-down list that appears. Once on the bonds page, look at the price chart displayed on your screen. Analyze the chart for any significant price movements or trends. To view price quotes, scroll down to the quotes section on the right side of the page. Here, you will find the latest bid and ask prices for the bond. Take note of these price quotes for your analysis. Next, check the news section below the quote for any recent updates on the bond. Identify any news that might affect the bond's price. For historical data, click on the Historical Data tab located below the chart. Here, you can review previous price quotes and trading volumes. For further verification, you can compare the bond's pricing information with other financial news websites. Make sure to note the timestamp of the quotes to ensure accuracy. If you're interested in comparing multiple bonds, you can create a watchlist. To do this, click on the watchlist icon on the right side of the TradingView interface. Add the bonds you want to monitor for easy access in the future. As you review bond quotes, consider using other analytical tools available on TradingView. These tools can help you better understand price trends and market behavior. Finally, log out of your TradingView account if you are finished with your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.